everyone, welcome to Greeter. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a good day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is messages for your spiritual path. So what you need to know about your spiritual path, that is going to the messages for you for today. So remember, these are general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so today I have 3 pictures of horses here. So yeah, so select one that calls to you intuitively, and yeah, so for group number 1, this is the image. For group number 2, and for group number 3, this is the image. So close your eyes, relax, and select an image or a picture that calls to you, okay, intuitively, and watch your video. The timestamps will be in the description box. So if you want more time, take your time, pause the video, and then watch. Okay, so I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this horse, then this is your reading with me. Look at the color white, right? So I feel like you're transcending, right, to a higher level. For you guys, you are moving forward, okay, with your spirituality. That's for sure. You're transcending your ideas, you're changing your belief system. That is what I see for you guys. And while shuffling, I saw the colors purple and red for you guys. For some of you, you need to work on your root chakra and your crown chakra. So like the top chakra and the bottom chakra, right? That is what I felt. And maybe for some of you, it's about your passion that you need to follow. I feel like this pile stresses a lot. Like maybe for some of you, you stress about yourself, about your relationship, about how you look, what you wear, what people will think about you. Or maybe some of you, I even feel like you stress about other people, like your family members, like your mother's health, or whatever it is. You stress a lot, you take other people's emotions a lot, like, so it's very heavy. Sometimes it become very heavy, right, when we take other people's emotions. Like maybe for some of you, I even feel like you're empaths and you can feel other people's emotions. So it's very difficult, right? So you need to protect yourself. That is important. Maybe do a white light meditation, call upon Archangel Michael. I'm getting this Archangel Michael presence for you guys. He's protecting you because you have root chakra and your crown chakra. So I feel like Archangel Michael is helping you to cut that cords, right? Sometimes you energetically you give to other people, and it drains you. So don't do that. Have a balance, right? So you need to protect, ground your energy. Meditation is very important for you guys. But definitely you are moving upward, like you're transcending to a higher dimension. I just don't know, like moving forward with your, because the look at the like how the house is like going upwards. I feel like you're moving forward in your life, okay? And yeah, that is what I'm getting. Let's see what else. So I'll just take a card from here, like take a message from here, I'm sorry. So yeah, for group number 1, what is the message for the spiritual path? For group number 1, messages. Oh, okay, I just heard something like your grandmother loves you a lot. Okay, so maybe you have a loved one, passed on loved one, who is your grandmother. She's saying that she loves you a lot. And don't worry too much. Don't maybe some of you, I even feel like you think about her and cry a lot, and she's safe there. It's a very specific message. Yeah, okay, so that's what that message was, very strong. Like it's very specific though. So if you're crying, if you're thinking about her, she's like, oh, don't cry, I'm okay here, I'm very good here. Okay, like that. So I'm just seeing a blanket, like someone is not ready to get out of the bed. It's like, go get out, do your work, get your work done, okay? So yeah, let's see. I'll just take one more. Yeah, someone is stressing about time, right? You look, yeah, oh, oh, I have to complete this by this time, I have to do this by this time. Like, you're so focused on your time. Like, so for some of you, it's like you need to schedule things, organize yourself. Instead of organizing it in your head, write it down. It will be very helpful. So, yeah, let's see. Courage. Oh, be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. Okay, so I see you doing that in your spiritual path. Like, I feel like we have Archangel Ariel also here, right? So it's time to stand up for your belief system, right? Sometimes other people might not agree with your belief system because you are transcending, you are moving upward, your vibration is rising. So there will be people who will not agree with your belief system, like how you perceive things. They will have differences, okay? So stand up for yourself, okay? Don't give up. Like, sometimes it's better to not have an argument, just say what you need to say, like in a very kind manner, and then just let it go, okay? Don't try to force things on other people. Don't try to force your belief system, because they will not understand. Sometimes people will not understand because they are not in your vibration. Always remember that. So it will be very difficult for you guys to make other people understand. In your family, there will be people who will not understand your point of view sometimes. That's okay, right? Just understand that they are not in that frequency, they are not in that vibration. Like, maybe they don't understand life like you do, right? Like, they don't understand the universe like you do. For some of you, I feel like that. Positive outcome. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So if you have been waiting for some outcome, it's going to be very, very positive. So if you are applying for a job, or if you want your relationship to progress, or whatever it is, it's going to be very positive. So if you had a question in your mind, that outcome is going to be very, very positive. So don't stress. Okay, you're stressing about it, so let it go. Don't stress, because universe is saying, your archangels are saying, this message is telling the outcome is going to be very, very positive. Okay, so don't stress, guys. And be courageous, and you don't have to prove anything to anyone, right? So the sun is about to burst through the clouds, and you will see things in a different light. So yeah, for some of you, things might be more, yeah, sometimes we expect a thing to happen a certain way, but for you guys, it's like it will be more better than that, what you expected. Okay, so yeah, everything. So for some of you, if you're worried about someone's health, it's okay, it's going to be okay. So you're going to be with them, give them support, okay? Your words are very healing, okay? You can give that motivation. I even feel like that you sell yourself short. You feel like that, oh, my words are not doing anything to anyone. No, it's healing. You know, people, for some of, I feel like you heal people through your words, through your kind words. Sometimes that is all people need right now in this time. Like, people need that, right? So let's see what else. Yeah, strength. Again, courage. Be courageous, guys. The light is within for you guys. The light is within. There is so much light inside of you. There is so much wisdom inside of you. No one can break that. Okay, look at this tree, ancient oak spirit strength. This tree is so strong. You're the strong. Okay, you're very, very strong and courageous people. No one can put you down. Remember that. Okay, so believe in your beliefs. Okay, for some of you, it's like maybe you need to cut that limited belief that is stopping you from your success. Because sometimes we feel like that, you know, in case of money, it happens a lot. Like, we feel like we are meant to have this much amount of money only, or for some of you, it might be, I have to work hard to have this amount of money. So this is all our limited beliefs, right? So connect with universe more. Let go of that limited beliefs. If you are like, I feel like you are, for some of you, I even feel like you know all these, right, about this limited beliefs, how your limited belief is stopping you from your ultimate success. Like, you know that, right? So it's time to cut that. Meditate, ground your energy, connect with the tree, right? For you, it will be magic if you connect with the tree, connect with Mother Earth, right? And look, we have number 2. Everything is going to be very balanced, right? With this positive outcome also, things will be balanced. You don't have to worry about it too much, okay, guys? So yeah, there is a lot of worry energy, I feel like, and yeah, the outcome is going to be positive. The better you know, it will be better than you expected, that's for sure. I feel like that. Yeah, Kali Ma, look, light. The light is within. Again, I'm getting the message here. Let go of your fears, let go of your stress, give it to the Kali Ma. Like if you believe in her, if you call upon her, she is with you, she is giving you the strength, she is giving you the courage, she is helping you to let go of your limited beliefs, she is helping you to surrender. Right? Sometimes it's very difficult to surrender, sometimes it's very difficult to let go of the beliefs, sometimes it's so difficult to release our past, like the emotions comes, right? It's very difficult. I've gone through, like sometimes we think about a certain situation and it's so difficult, the emotions, it's so difficult to deal with, like but when we release it feels so good, right? So I feel like you will be releasing a lot because you're transcending, so the past is not coming with you guys anymore. You have to release that. Kali Ma will give you that kind of situations where you will be able to release. So definitely it's not going to be very happy moment at that time. You will not feel so happy, but definitely you will release it, right? And yes, she is here, she is helping you. Okay, she is helping you to become your powerful self. You're very powerful people, but somewhere you got lost, and she is helping you to find yourself back. Like, yeah, that is what I feel like. You're finding yourself back, you're finding your strength back, you're finding your courage back, you're finding your voice again. Maybe for some of you were shut down by other people, and because of that you stopped, like, to sometimes we stop saying things, right? We stop expressing ourselves. For some of you, I even feel like that happened, but you're coming back, you're coming back in your power now. No one can stop you. Okay, so that is what, you're becoming powerful, you're becoming courageous, you're becoming more confident, your vision is getting very clear, you're very, like, you're going to be very clear. So if you want to do something, you will be very clear about it. Sometimes we are very confused, you're not going to be very confused anymore. So yeah, there is a lot of light. Like, if it's dark, if we have like a light, it's so easy to go, right? So that is the thing, there is light, there is so much of light and hope for you guys. Okay, so the next card, yeah, rejuvenation. Look at the red color again. Yeah, you are healing your past. So take breaks. Okay, so if you're working hard on something, yeah, take breaks, relax. If it's possible, go out in nature, connect with a tree. If you have plants, indoor plants, connect with them. That will be very healing for you guys. So yeah, heart chakra, I'm getting 3 chakras for you. You need to work on that, like root chakra, heart chakra, and crown chakra. That is the 3 chakras I'm like feeling for you guys. That is what you need to focus more on. But definitely you're rejuvenating, you're healing, you're letting go of your past beliefs. That is the thing, the past beliefs was stopping you from getting there, right? From your, sometimes it stops us from progressing, and that was the thing for you guys. You were not progressing because of your own limited beliefs. Now you're cutting down that. Or sometimes this belief system is from our family, right? Our family members, our parents, they tell us like, this is life, this is how you have to survive, life is hard, right? Yeah, sometimes life is hard, but our thoughts, our thoughts are so powerful, our mind is so powerful. So yeah, you're learning about that. Yeah, you're connecting more with spirit, you're rejuvenating, you're healing, you're grounding. So yeah, meditation, of course, will do wonders for you guys. Okay, and I'm getting a quote for you. If you don't believe in magic, how you will see it? So the people who believe in it, they will see it, right? So it's time to do that. Believe in magic, believe in universe. Ask signs from the universe. You will definitely get your signs. Okay, like, just ask like, oh, please show me a dragonfly tomorrow so that I can know that you're connected. Like, just ask them and just let it go. Don't think about it too much, and I'm sure you will see that dragonfly. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that is important here for you guys. Your ancestors are also with you. Grandma, I told you some grandma. Yeah, your grandma is with you. Okay, why I'm getting the name Sheila, I don't know, but yeah, you're very confused right now, mental conflict. So yeah, for some of you, like, it's like intuition versus your mind game, right? Your mind is saying something else and you're not able to listen to your intuition because your mind is like stressing. When we stress, we think a lot. Our ego doesn't Like our ego, the ego, you know, when we let go of the ego, that is when we hear our intuition. And here I feel like sometimes our beliefs, our like limited beliefs, don't let us hear our intuition. So it's time to ground your energy. That's the thing. Look at the colors, red and green again. So yeah, so it's time to trust your intuition. So for that, if you need to listen to your intuition, you need to ground your energy, you need to meditate, you need to quiet your mind. Like the hermit energy is very important here. So yeah, take some time off from people who are a little bit toxic, or they want to put, you know, sometimes people put a lot of beliefs into us. If they're trying to do this, like let go of them and recharge. Like I feel like you recharge when you connect with Mother Earth, when you connect with the tree. You will be recharged. You'll feel very good when you do that. And whenever you're confused, connect with trees. If it's possible, guys, go out, connect with nature, connect with water. If you live near a lake or something, just go there, touch the water, right, and connect with it. Or maybe just have a spiritual bath, relax, don't think anything, and then when whatever comes to your mind, that is your intuition speaking to you, right? So yeah, that's very important. Yeah, it's very difficult to let go of the people we love, right? I know that it's very difficult. Sometimes we want to help our people because I feel like you have a lot of knowledge about these things, right? About, because you're moving forward in your spiritual journey, so you know that our beliefs come in our way of success, but you're trying to help other people, but they're not understanding. So be an example, okay? Change your life and show them instead of telling them. Let them see that. So that's important, okay? That's a message. Yeah. So it's, you know, it's about balance here again. Your life is going to be very balanced, material and spiritual prosperity. So yeah, you're balancing your spirituality as well as your material things. You have physical, everything, right? Everything is going to be very balanced for you guys. And with the 6 number, a lot of harmony, a lot of growth is coming your way. A lot of yeah, you will be able to manage everything. That is what I feel. You will be able to manage everything. So don't. But right now I feel like you're very stressed about things, how my future will be, why people are not understanding me. Like that kind of confusion is there. So let it go. You don't have to prove to anyone. So remember that. Yeah, courage. Again, we have courage. I find the inner strength to face the fear with confidence. So yeah, that is what I was talking. Like, be confident. Shine your light. Your light is within yourself. Okay. Whenever you don't feel that inner peace, just connect with nature. You will feel very peaceful, very calm. Okay. So yeah, your strength is in nature. That is also I feel. If it's not possible for you guys to go out right now, just if you have indoor plants, connect with them, or if you can just play a meditation music, relax, do something that you love. It will give you a lot of peace. Okay. And you have that confidence. You're finding your own strength, right? Yes, you're finding your strength, you're finding your courage, and through the spiritual path you will become a fearless person. Yeah, you're becoming that. You're not afraid of the future anymore. You're not thinking about your past anymore. So yeah, you're going good. So yeah, a lot of emotions will come. A lot of inside of you there will be a tower moment. Like emotionally you will feel a lot of things, but you will get there. You will become more courageous, and every day will be better than the other day, right? So things are going to get better. Look, yeah, 7 stress, like doing a lot of things together, maybe helping, you want to help people, maybe taking too many responsibilities here. Look, with this material and spiritual prosperity, I feel like you're taking too much on your plate. Maybe you're taking other people's emotions. For some of you, yeah, I feel like you're empaths and you're taking the stress of other people. Don't let that happen. Protect your energy. Let go of the people who is not understanding you. You don't have to prove that point. You don't have to argue with them, because they will not understand. They are not in your vibration, right? And it's okay. They have their own journey. You can't prove your point to someone who will never understand, right? You can only make Yeah, sometimes it's very difficult to make other people understand because they're not experienced, because they're not believing in magic, they're not experiencing the things you are experiencing. So you don't have to take too much. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like you want to change other people's life, you want to change your loved one's life, you want to see them happy, but they're not, and you feel very stressed because of them. So don't do that, okay? Ground yourself, balance, and if you can help, but don't take too much, okay? That is a message for you. Wow, look at that breakthrough. Yeah, success. You're moving forward. I told you with this your spiritual path also, you're moving forward. You're getting out of your limited beliefs. Look at this. This woman is like coming out, like breaking the glasses, and she's like, yeah, I don't want to be in this glass home anymore. I just want to be free. So you're going to be very free. You are free. You're going to feel free from your own limited beliefs, right? And when we are free, we become more courageous, we become more confident, and that is the thing. For some of you, I feel your karma is getting balanced. Yeah, the past karma, you're balancing your past karma. And if you have been working on something, if you have been working on your relationship, there is a breakthrough happening. Or if for some of you, I even feel it's a personal growth. You're growing as a person, okay? And in career also, if you didn't, sometimes, and like, we don't get what we deserve, right? Maybe you have felt that, but I feel like in the future you will get what you deserve, right? All your hard work is paying off, okay? So yeah, this is the message for group number 1. Bye bye, take care guys. My lovelies, hello my group number 2. So how are you guys doing? Okay, so I don't know, I feel like saying I love you to you guys. Maybe someone needs to hear that. If you're feeling very low, like, I love you guys. You're not alone, okay? Your spirit guides, your angels are with you. So don't feel like that you're alone. Sometimes when you're in a spiritual journey, things get lonely. Don't worry, they are with you, they're guiding you. Sometimes you don't feel their presence. It's okay, they are with you, okay? So yeah, don't feel lonely, okay guys? If you are feeling lonely, you are not. And for some of you, if your friend calls you, like, let's go, just go with them, okay? Don't don't stop yourself, okay? So yeah, so that was a very specific message, okay? Anyways, that is what I received. So with this card, look at this beautiful card, like new beginnings for you guys, for sure. So you can work, you know, your moon phases, like moon magic, that is what I feel like for you guys. Look at this moon here, the like crescent, right? So it's new start. You can work with moon magic, like moon, doing rituals during full moon, during new moon. It will help you. So whenever you feel very stressed or your emotions are up and down, look at the phases of the moon. It will affect you a lot. I feel like the phases of the moon will affect you. So take a note on that also. Or maybe you can research about it. It will help you a lot in your spiritual path. You are advancing, your skills are advancing. So if you are already creative, you will become more creative. So yeah, for some of you, I'm getting creative writing. If you are into writing, a lot of ideas, a lot of inspiration you will get. So just be ready with a book and note down all the ideas you get, okay? So you're yeah, I feel during, like, during full moon, full moon is very important time for you guys. At that time, if you can do rituals for your manifestations, just do it, okay? If it's possible. I feel for this pile, it will work like magic. You're good magicians, okay? You can create whatever you want to create in your life. Your beliefs, your thoughts are very important here. So the more, if you have more positive thoughts, your life will become more positive. If it's negative thoughts, it will be a little difficult. So remember that, okay? And I'm feeling your sacral chakra and your third eye chakra is the strongest, or throat chakra, yeah, throat chakra also. So maybe for some of you it's like communication. Maybe you're into communicating things, like communicating, like you're getting messages through divine, like maybe you write, you sing, right? Maybe you write plays, scripts, whatever, that communication field I'm getting, okay? So yeah, you're very good at it. So maybe while meditating you get a lot of ideas, or when you're in nature, when you connect with animals, you get a lot of ideas. Animals are very healing to you guys, but definitely there is a lot of new beginnings for you guys happening, new ideas. If you get an inspiration, write it down, work on it, because that will be very successful. Even if it's not, it will take you somewhere. Okay, so do that. For some of you, I feel like your hair is going to be very beautiful. Maybe you will do something with your hair. Okay, go ahead and do it. Maybe you want to color your hair, just go ahead. Don't think too much about it. Maybe for some of you it's like what my parents will think, what my family will think, and you want to do it, but at the same time you're worrying. If you are worrying about other people, you don't have to worry. Do what you feel. It's just like coloring hair. It's not a big deal anyways. So yeah, sometimes people make it a big deal. I don't know why sometimes it's there, but it's okay. Right? But if you want to ask the permission, go and ask also. If you're like under 18 and all, just go for it. I don't know. So yeah, a lot of growth, a lot of prosperity, a lot of abundance is what I see for you guys. A lot of happiness, a lot of connection with universe, like connecting with universe, connecting with nature. You're making a connection. Your connection is increasing. Your intuition is like going to be heightened. So maybe in your dream time you will see a lot of images and all. So write about your dreams, like keep a dream journal. It will be very good for you guys. Okay, so yeah, that's all I receive right now. So let's see what else. So I'm just gonna pull out some cards, some messages for you guys. Let's see other messages from your angels for your spiritual path. Okay, read one more for group number 2. Okay, let's start. Yeah, breathe. Yeah, Archangel Raphael, take several deep breaths and exhale slowly to awaken your energy and release old patterns. So you're releasing a lot of things. Like yeah, with this full moon and yeah, I feel like you were releasing a lot of things. You're releasing a lot of patterns, a lot of behavior, a lot of limited beliefs. You're doing that. You're healing your inner child. I feel for many of you. Maybe for some of you, you were yeah, like you had a memory from your childhood, and now you're like releasing that things, the bad things that has happened to you in your childhood. Like you're releasing that. You're gaining confidence, courage. Oh, we got that for group 1 also. Be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. Yeah, again, limited beliefs is a very strong thing right now, I feel like. So yeah, so this came for group number 1 also. Interesting. So what else? Okay. Sorry for the distraction, my son just came. So okay, let's start. So yeah, I was talking about this game for pile 1 also. So it's time to be courageous. It's time to let go of the limited beliefs that is stopping you from your success. And that was the same message I received for like pile 1 also. But I feel like yeah, this is a collective energy where you are breaking from your old patterns, old ideas, old belief system, old habits. And yeah, we have 2 cards about releasing old patterns. For some of you, it's like you're releasing your past completely. You're freeing yourself from your past. Yeah, you're freeing yourself from your own belief system about you. Sometimes we have a belief system. Yeah, for some of you, maybe it's like, oh, I'll never be this successful. Oh, it's for them. They will only be successful. I can never be successful. Now you are like, through the spiritual path, you are like, no, I can be successful. I just, because of other people, I thought that I'll not be. But I know that I'll be successful. Like I feel like now you're dreaming big for yourself. In the past you never did that. You just had very small dreams for yourself. Now you're like dreaming big and you're believing in it. Do it, guys, do it, because you are magic. You can make that happen. You're the magicians. The more you will believe in yourself, the more you will have faith. You can make it happen. You can make anything happen. Okay, and use rituals, use like moon magic. It will be like like cherry on the top of the cake, something like that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm very excited. So maybe for some of you there is an exciting news coming, because my energy is so exciting for you guys. So it's like that, like exciting news, exciting ideas, like you're getting these ideas, you're getting the downloads, and you're like next day, yes, I want to do this, and you're like organizing things, like writing things what you need to do, because you will be feeling like there is no time. Because sometimes when we work we feel like the time is like flying, right? So that is what I feel like for you guys it's happening. Oh, you got 2 cards. Wow, look at that. Magic, moonlight, enchantment, right? Again magic. So yeah, moon magic. Yeah, go. Yes, just oh, so if you can read a book about moon magic, that will be wonderful. Maybe about rituals and all. Yeah, I feel I also need to do that. I also should start reading a book, because I'm not so good with rituals and all, because yeah, so I think I should also start doing that. So that is the message for you guys, like you can manifest your dreams using moon phases. That is what I feel like, and maybe for some of you in your future you will be doing that and you will see the results. Okay, if you're witch, if you're already doing that, I feel like your manifestations are coming. Yeah, trust. Look at that. Amethyst crystal. Trusting your own intuition. Right? Yeah, doing the rituals. Doing the rituals. Believing in your own magic. Trusting yourself, like a hermit energy. Right? Trusting your own light. So yeah, trusting your own. Yeah, maybe sometimes. Sometimes what happens is we don't trust that we can make it happen, and because of that we don't make it happen, right? Because our trust, our belief system is very important. So you're changing your belief system, you're trusting yourself, and you're becoming the best version of yourself. That is what I feel like. And there will be people who will be like, wow, she's so lucky, and you're like, no, I'm not lucky, I'm making my own luck. Right? Something like that. I feel like there will be people who will be like, oh, she is just so lucky, oh, her life is so easy. They will be like, or his I'm saying her because I'm a female, so yeah, it's not about the gender. So yeah, it's like yeah, your life is so easy. People will be coming and your life is so easy, you don't work too much, then do you have so much money, or blah blah blah. People will be there. There will be a lot of envy people. I see that, a lot of jealous people to protect your energy, because you are going to be very connected with the spirit. Your rituals are going to manifest. Whatever you're planting, the seeds that you're planting will grow and become trees. So yeah, forgiveness. Yeah, this is what you need to do right now. You need to forgive your past, you need to forgive yourself, you need to let go of the people who have done wrong to you. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like you need to forgive a father figure. Maybe your father was very strict, or maybe maybe a person must have done something to you when you were young. It's time to forgive them so you can move forward with your life. Okay, so at this time, because you're at this phase of your spiritual journey where you can forgive, where you can move forward with this. So there is, you need to let go of the resentment you have. Sometimes we feel very angry towards someone, and because of that we don't move forward. And I feel like you're letting go of this thing, you're letting go of that that grudge you had, that resentment you have. So yeah, because you're on a path of light, love and forgiveness. Father healing is possible at this time. So yeah, you're forgiving people, you're moving forward, you're forgiving people from your childhood. This is something related to your childhood. I feel like you're forgiving, you're releasing, you're healing, and you're moving forward. So this is like, yeah, I feel like you're doing a lot of inner work, guys, and it's tough. I know it's very tough, but definitely you are letting go of them and you're moving forward. Yeah. And that's beautiful. And now I feel like you will not feel anything, even if this person you will be able to speak to them, like yeah, you will not have any problems, because you're healing, you're letting go of it. So yeah, I see like you're going to be very free. Like you will be free from your past, you will not be thinking about your future all the time, you will be in the present moment. This is because you will be believing in yourself, and not everyone can do that, but you can. Yeah, birthing new ideas. This for some of you, look, uh, when a, for some of you, definitely I feel like you will be pregnant. Like you will be uh, birthing, I'm getting a girl child for some of you, okay, or a boy. I'm getting like girl, or it can be a boy also, or maybe it's twins, I just don't know, but something about that is there. This is a very specific message. So if you're pregnant, maybe it's twins, like a girl and a boy. I don't know, that's very specific, for maybe for one. I don't know, but yeah. So with this birthing, the birthing process is not easy, right? So when we go give birth, it's very difficult, right? It's very painful, but when the baby comes out, it's so beautiful. So that is what that is your face right now. It's like you're birthing things, your ideas, right? It's new ideas, so you have to do a lot of hard work, right? uh, like no pain no gain, right? That kind of vibe I feel like. So sometimes you have to work hard, sometimes you have to give your 100%, right? So yeah, but when the result will come out, it will be very beautiful. So all you need to do is to trust your own inner light, do your hard work, trust in your capabilities, trust your new ideas, because sometimes it's very difficult to trust your new ideas, right? Because we don't know whether it will be successful or not, but it's the time to trust that and go with the flow. And yes, you will birth something very beautiful. For some of you, it's like you are doing something, starting a company or starting a new business. It's going to be very difficult at first, right? You have to do so many things, so it's going to be like a lot of things, a lot of emotions, how to do, a lot of stress, right? But don't stress, guys. Give it to the universe. Do manifestation, do scripting, use law of attraction, because that is going to change your life. If you're not using it, I'm sure you use it, guys. If you resonate with this, I feel like you use it. So yeah, you use that, believe in it. You are birthing things right now, so it's quite difficult, but you will get there. You will have, when we see this baby, like when we see, it's so good, right? It feels so warm, we feel so happy. That is the emotion I feel for you guys. You will be so happy. Maybe your business is your baby, right? So some of you, your work is your baby. You will see that. Maybe your painting is your baby. Whatever it is, it will be very positive. Okay. So yeah, right now you're going through a little bit of difficulties, but it's okay. It will be worth it. Okay. So yeah. And if you are thinking about your pregnancy, whether your pregnancy will be smooth or not, it will be all okay. Don't stress about anything. Okay. Just take care of yourself, nurture your soul, eat healthy, take care of everything, and everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. So yeah, stand your ground. Okay, for some of you, look, if you are, this is a specific message. First, I'll tell you the specific message here. With the stand your ground and material harvest. So if you're working on self-employment or something like that, if you have a business, or if you have been working from home, like freelancing and all, if you're doing that, stand your ground, believe in your ideas, don't give up, because this will lead to material harvest. So whatever you're planting right now, if you're doing the work, just trust your ideas, don't give up your ideas, because these ideas of yours will give you the happiness, the financial growth. So definitely there is financial growth for you guys. If you're manifesting money, that is coming your way. If you're manifesting success, that is coming your way. There is a lot of growth. So believe in yourself, believe in your own capabilities, and yeah, that is what I feel. So don't stress. And for others, it's like you feel like you're fighting. So sometimes you need to let go of certain limited beliefs. For some of you, you are maybe you feel like, oh, I'm not capable. You need to let go of that certain beliefs. Or maybe for some of you, no, I will never forgive this person, I cannot forgive this person, because this person has done so much bad to me. So maybe you need to let go of that. For some of you, letting go of certain beliefs that is stopping you from attaining this material harvest. Maybe for some of you, it's your own financial beliefs, right? Maybe you feel like you're not worthy enough to receive this much money, or maybe if you receive certain amount of money, you feel like, oh, I cannot receive this. You feel very overwhelmed. You feel, not in a good way, right? Sometimes we feel overwhelmed in a good way, but you feel like, oh no no no, I cannot take this money. Oh, how can I accept this money? No no, I'm not worthy about this. You know, when universe give you something, you are like, no no no, I cannot take it. Don't be like that. Okay, receive happily. Sometimes we have problem receiving. So for you guys, I feel like with finances, even though you want to build your finances, but your belief system is stopping you to accept the help from other people. So don't be like that. Okay, let go of that. Okay, so next one is envy. Yeah, for some of you, I told you there will be people who will be envious or jealous of you, and yeah, don't protect your energy, guys. I feel like you need to protect your energy, because you are going to be very successful in the future, and people will be like, your friends will be like, oh, she was so she or he was so shy, how they did this, oh, they must be very lucky, and they will be like envying you and they will be jealous of you. So I feel like that is going to happen for some of you, but you don't have to worry about, because you're protected. But do these rituals to protect yourself, or releasing rituals, that will be helpful for you guys. And if you're the one who is like envious of other people, you need to let go of that. Okay, if you're jealous if you're comparing yourself to other people, this is the time to let go of that, release that. Use a full moon time to release that kind of things, right? It will help you grow more. Okay, yeah, letting go of your belief system, letting go of that I'm not worthy enough to receive this much money, I'm not worthy to, I'll not forgive this person. Like, if you are in this kind of limited beliefs, you need to let go of that kind of beliefs, because that is what is stopping you from your success. I feel for many of you, you are just one step away from your success. All you need to do is let go and surrender your beliefs that is stopping you. Maybe it's about your financial belief system. For some of you, it's like a father figure you need to forgive. So yeah, you need to let go of that. I know it's difficult, but if you're watching this reading, spirit guides is saying that you can do it, right? So yeah, so letting go of the people. For some of you, if you have a friend who is like constantly putting you down, it's time to let go of that friend. Okay, yeah, harmony. When you release, that is when you will be very happy, because 10 of cups is energy. It's of ultimate happiness with family, support system, like with this dolphins, lot of playfulness, happy energy, because I feel dolphins are so happy. They're very intelligent, they're very smart. And for some of you, I even feel like you are into music, and maybe someone told you that you're not good at it, and because of that you're not you're not trusting yourself. So it's like, let go of that people. Maybe they were jealous of you, who knows, right? So let go of them and believe in your own magic, and do the things you always wanted to do. Trust your intuition here. Trusting your intuition is the way to your own success, and standing for yourself, but letting go of the limited beliefs that is stopping you. I know that you know that, right? You have like certain limited beliefs, or if you're jealous, if you're gossiping about other people, you know it, you need to stop that, right? So because that will be when we are in that kind of vibration, it will stop us from achieving the success. So it's like you need to let go of. If you have done that, then yes, just be patient, guys, because you're in this birthing process, and things are going to manifest. A lot of success, a lot of growth, a lot of happiness is there for you guys. Be courageous, guys. Okay, so that's it for group number 2. And believe in your own magic, guys, and believe in your own creativity. That's all I have to say. Okay, so I feel like for you guys, the mantra will be like I can do it. Like, I can do anything that I desire to, something like that. Maybe you need to maybe you need to do more self help routines, like self love routines, like waking up, looking in the mirror, talking to yourself, like writing 5 good things about yourself. What are the 5 things that you're proud of? Like, do that kind of ritual, right? Okay, so that's what I feel like for you guys. Okay, bye bye, take care, guys. Group number 3, if you chose this image, let's see. What are your messages for your spiritual path? So look at the hands. All I can see are a lot of hands. Look. So universe has your back, guys. So take one step towards your success. If you're already taking that, if you're already doing the work you want to do, universe will help you, will protect you. Universe is your security guard. That is what I'm hearing right now. Security guard. You're secure. Like, yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. All you need to do is to do the things you always wanted to do right now. There's a lot of hand, there's a lot of assistance. Okay, there's a lot of people. I feel for many of you, I'm getting like there will be helpful people coming. There will be a lot of supportive people around you. So if you're feeling like lonely right now, if you feel like there is no support, you're wrong, because universe is always there supporting you. Because your dream is universe dreams. Okay, so yeah, universe is there for you guys. Okay, and look at the colors. We have all the colors of different chakras. We have this purple, we have the white, we have white color also, a little bit of white if you can see. Then we have like this blue, we have green, we have a yellow, we have orange, we have red. So all the chakras, right? For some of you, you need to work on your chakras, all chakras. So yeah, for some of you, I even feel like you will be balancing all of your chakras. If you're working on that, if you're doing like this chakra meditations, I have a meditation like Dr. Joe's blessing of energy center. Maybe if it's possible, you can start doing that meditation. It will help you, I feel like. Okay, so it's just a specific message. So if you were searching for a certain meditation, maybe that is your meditation. Maybe you will connect with that meditation, or maybe you can do this white light meditation. But definitely you are protected. Okay, everything is going to be in balance. If there is chaos right now, that is changing. Balance is coming. Okay, let's start with this cards here. No, first I will take the two cards, two messages for you guys from here for my group number 3. What are the messages for the spiritual path? Okay, we have this one and one more, group number 3. Yeah, let's start, guys. Okay, look, achievement. Take a little time to reflect on what you have achieved to date, honor and be grateful. So yeah, okay, so this pile is like workaholic. For some of you, like your goal is very big and you achieve small goals, but you are not so grateful about it because your goal is so big, right? So this time your spirit guides, your angels wants you to know that you're doing good. Like, yeah, you're balancing your chakras, you're doing good, right? But you don't give that much of maybe you don't. Sometimes we do that, right? We achieve one goal and then we are on to the next. We don't celebrate anything, right? We don't get proud because our goal is so big. Maybe for example, you started a YouTube channel. This is the best example. Like your first goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers and you get it, and then you're like, no, I want to get to 5,000, and then you get 5,000, and then like, no, I want to get to 10,000. Like, it doesn't end there, and you're not sometimes we are not grateful enough, right? So it's like, take that time, celebrate that 5,000 subscribers, celebrate that 10,000 subscribers, or whatever it is. Like, yeah, it's just an example. You can like, yeah, so you're getting now what I'm saying. Like, yeah, take a little time to reflect on what you have achieved to date, honor and be grateful. So if you feel like comparing yourself to someone, just compare it to you, right? How far you have come, because I know that you have come far. So last year at this time, what were you doing? Just see that and look how far you have come, and be proud of yourself and celebrate that win. Okay, like, buy something good. Okay, like, spoil yourself. Okay, maybe yeah, nurture. As you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now. So yeah, that is what you need to do. You need to nurture yourself, you need to take care of yourself, like, spoil yourself. Buy something that you always wanted to buy, but you're like, no, if I get this, then only I'll buy. You like, just, I feel like when it's time for self-care, when it's time to buy something for you don't do it. Maybe you do it for other people, but you don't do it. I feel like you have problem receiving things also. For group number 2 also, we got that. Yeah, like, receiving. When you receive things, you're not so like, oh, I didn't do that much of hard work, how can I receive that? Yes, sometimes universe gives us things, right? It's okay to receive and be grateful. Whenever you receive something, be grateful for all the blessings, because yeah, be grateful. Gratitude is so important right now, so be grateful for all the things you have. uh, if you have a gratitude journal, that's a good thing you're doing. If you don't have, start your day by writing gratitude to the divine for all the things you have already achieved in your life. But I feel for this, while you have achieved certain success, but I know that your goal is bigger, and it's okay, you can have bigger goals, but understand that you need to celebrate the small wins also. Okay, next. Oh, look at the first card you got. Hardworking people, workaholic people. You take things seriously. You're taking your spirituality very seriously. You are onto something. You want to make something big. You want to create something big, and you deserve it. I know, because you're so hardworking with this bee spirit, and you will get all the prosperity you want. So yeah, keep on working hard, but at the same time, celebrate, take some breaks, enjoy life, right? Have fun, watch some comedy movies. So for some of you, it's like that. Okay, you're very serious. I feel like sometimes you need to be little bit, like, if you want to have that one slice of pizza, go ahead. Maybe you didn't have it for so long. Like, yeah, for some of you, it's like you're very strict with your diet, maybe. So yeah, you can spoil yourself. That is what I'm getting for you guys, because you're doing very good. You're very serious about the things. You're very hardworking people. You take your spirituality very seriously. You do the rituals. I don't know if you're resonating. You're like, you wake up early. You're very good with your work. I'm getting this Virgo energy also for you guys. For some of you don't skip your meditation, and it's very good. You're very serious, but sometimes, like, your universe is saying you can have a break. If you want to sleep like extra long, you can do that one day, no problem. Like, you can spoil yourself. Yeah, I feel it's because you have seen a lot of darkness in your life, and now you're seeing the light, so you're very afraid whether you will get down to that dark period. So I feel like that's why you're like so strict with yourself. Maybe you had a time where you didn't have enough money to feed yourself, and you're like, no, if I don't work hard now, maybe I will get into that same self, right? If I buy something luxurious, no, I cannot spend that much money, because I have seen that kind of time where I didn't have the money to feed myself. Maybe something like that. Maybe you have seen that kind of period, or maybe a very dark period you have seen in your life, and you have come out of this dark period, but somewhere in your heart, like in your soul, it's there, that dark times. So you need to release that. I feel like this is the message I'm receiving for you right now with the Serapis Bay. You have come so far. You are not the same person anymore. You have advanced, but at the same time, there is a child inside of you who is so afraid that what if this past thing comes again. Like, it is not going to come again. You have achieved so much, guys, so don't worry about it. So have some time, watch some comedy movies. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that is what I feel like. You're growing. Look at this infinity symbol. There is so much more you can achieve in your life. There is limitless possibilities for you guys. So don't shy away from doing the things you always wanted to do. Like, do the things. If you want to have that manicure, or if you want to do something with your nails, go ahead, do it. Maybe you save a lot. So sometimes it's okay to spend also, right? I don't know who needs to hear this, but definitely you can spend. Money will come to you, right? So be open to receive. Yeah, frequencies shift. Okay, for some of you with this frequency shift, if you have a certain spirit guides that you connected with, I feel there is going to be a change there, like your spirit guides are changing. So it will be a little bit of maybe for some of you, you will even feel like that I'm not having that connection, or maybe you will stress that why my spirit guides are not talking to me, why I'm not feeling connected, am I on the wrong path. Maybe you will feel that kind of energy, but it's okay. It's like, I feel like your frequency is shifting, like there will be new spirit guides coming, because yeah, I feel like new things, new energies are coming towards you. You will be working with new spirit guides. Yeah, so yeah, maybe there is going to be a shift, and you will feel like very maybe you will be very angry also. So don't, yeah, maybe I'm getting this angry, you will be very angry, why this is happening, why I'm not able to connect. So don't get frustrated, relax, because your universe has your back, but sometimes there is a frequency shift happening. So yeah, for some of you, you might not feel that, you might not feel a connection for a while, right? but it will be okay. You will have I feel like there are more powerful guides coming, because you are here for a bigger purpose, I feel like. So yeah, so there is a shift in that also for some of you, I feel. Definitely there are a lot of changes coming your way, for sure. Look, growth, yeah, I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Yeah, that's why there is a shift with your guides, because you're expanding, you're growing, your consciousness is evolving. A lot of growth, a lot of prosperity is there for you guys. A lot of knowledge, lot of occult information is you're receiving. Maybe you receive a lot of info from your spirit guides. Maybe right now you're not receiving that and you're like frustrated. Don't get frustrated. This is just a time. Just take break, relax, feed yourself with good food, watch some comedy movies, everything will be all right. Okay. Yeah, you're expanding, you're growing, your chakras are getting balanced. So things are changing for you guys. You don't have to worry about money, you don't have to worry about your past anymore. You're not going to go there anymore. So just be happy right now, and be proud of yourself. The things you have achieved in your life, be proud of it. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, look, we have this disruption. Yeah, tower moment. Yeah, you're feeling like you're not connected to spirit any. Yeah, I feel with this, for some of you there is some yeah, with this tower card, yeah, something is like not going the way you want to go. Like there is a shift, complete shift in frequency. You're moving into a higher frequency. So yeah, you're not feeling the connection with your spirit guides, and you're getting very angry. Why is this happening? You're feeling so disturbed. So this is all for your own growth. Okay, this is what I feel. Look, yeah, your angels are coming with the truth. They you're, for some of you, you're getting a lot of clarity. Okay, maybe this message is giving you that clarity right now, that nothing is going to be wrong. This is just a time. Yeah, maybe yeah, for some of you, I even feel like this, in this period you will know what you actually want to do. Maybe for some of you, you will connect with your higher purpose, your life purpose. Maybe there will be shift in your career also. I feel for some of you there is going to be a shift. The way you do things might shift for you guys. The scales are going to be balanced. So right now you're feeling very disturbed. Right now you're having a tower moment inside of you. I feel like emotionally you are going through a tower moment, because you're not connecting with your angels, you're not connecting with your spirit guides. You feel like there is no connection and you don't know what to do next. So you are very much disturbed, I feel like. So yeah, your angels are telling you they are with you. The scales is going to balance. Maybe yeah, you're going to come out of this period. Don't worry, you will have this connection back. It's just a frequency shift. So take that time, relax, nurture yourself. Look, at this time what you need to do is to be proud of yourself, nurture yourself, watch some comedy movies, enjoy, take a break. Okay, everything will be back to normal. Yeah, new beginnings here. Yeah, you're moving, it's a new beginning for you guys, like new spirit guides, new connection. You're making a connection with your new spirit guides, but this connection will be more stronger than the last ones. I feel like they will be with you all the time also, I feel like. Okay, look at the world. For some of you, it's your purpose is to do something for this environment. Maybe planting, maybe you will feel the urge to plant more trees and you will go do that. Maybe you will do something for an environment. Maybe you're taking some small steps towards that. Go for it. For some of you, it's like you're teaching meditation, yoga to other people, doing some spiritual practice, helping that. It's like connecting with your life purpose for you guys, growing, more growth, more expansion. You're expanding. You people are like so conscious, so aware. You're becoming more aware. Yeah, you know about present moment, right? You know you need to be in this present moment and you're going to do that. So don't worry guys, don't worry, everything is going to be all right. So yeah, look, look at the flowers, look at the environment, you know, earth energy, like healing. Yeah, you're healing a lot of stuff. You're healing your past, you're moving forward, healing your heart center, right? So yeah, there is a lot of healing. You're healing, you're growing, you're evolving. Your past is, you don't have to worry about your past anymore. You don't have to worry about that dark times, whether this dark time will come back. No, it will not come back, because you're so connected with the spirit. Maybe right now you're not feeling so connected, that's why you're thinking all that thoughts. So this message is telling you, you don't have to worry about it, because everything will be all right. Look at this flowering and maturity. Look at the flowers, you know, that is what is it. I'm attracted to the flowers, the growth, like the smell of the flowers. And look, these two females, you're nurturing. It's the time to nurture yourself, right? It's the time to, if you can go to a spa, go to a spa, spoil yourself, take some relaxing time. If you can have like 1 week break, go and do it. It's long, like you haven't been doing that, right? So just take that 1 week break, enjoy yourself, and you will come back stronger. Okay, for some of you it's like go out in the nature. If you can go to a place where there are a lot of flowers, go there, enjoy yourself, connect with nature. Yeah, and remember, you will be abundant. Your home life, your career, everything will be good. You don't have to worry too much. And remember, you are connected with the spirit. Yeah, right now you don't feel that connection, but it's okay, it's just a phase, right? You will be back. Okay, so for some of you, there is, with this new beginnings, you will be traveling also. I feel like you will be traveling. For some of you, it's like mentally you are traveling. Your frequency is shifting. Definitely your frequency is getting higher. Your vibration is going to be more higher. Don't worry guys, you're growing, you're evolving, like a lot of growth, a lot of maturity. You're becoming so mature. You're not the past person anymore, so you don't have to worry about that. Let it go. Okay, so that's all the message for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.